Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to post on Pinterest as a carousel. So open Pinterest, right? To create a carousel post on Pinterest, 2 to 5 images, click the plus button and create a new pin, right? Click on pin, select 2 to 5 images. Okay? And automatically, once you hit next, a carousel will be created, right? If you want to add stickers, media, or if you'd like to add more photos, more videos, etc., right? Hit down here. You can add sizes, right? Make it 2:3 ratio. If you want to draw, right? Want to add something, you can just do that. If you want to add audio, you can just go ahead and record your own audio, right? And of course, you can change the filters if needed. So a carousel will be created. Now, once you hit next, you can of course add the title, description, link, potentially to your website, pick a board, and add keywords to attract more people, right? It's good with that, or it's good on basically for SEO search. So yeah, basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe it. If you're done, you can hit create at the bottom right or schedule for later. So see you in the next one.